All right, let's go now to Washington, D.C., where the future of abortion rights will go before the U.S. Supreme Court. Weeks after the justices heard arguments on a Texas abortion law on which they have yet to make a decision, now another pivotal case just days away. Justices will hear arguments Wednesday over a Mississippi law banning abortion after 15 weeks. It's a direct challenge to Roe versus Wade. NewsNation's Jesse Chinor has the details as the Supreme Court prepares to hear the biggest abortion case in decades.
Nicole, both sides have been waiting for this day since Mississippi passed the law in 2018.
The government cannot force her to bear a child against her will.
Attorneys representing Mississippi's lone abortion clinic say that's what's at stake when the nation's highest court takes up the state's 15-week abortion ban on Wednesday.
A woman has the right to choose whether to carry her pregnancy to term.
Rob McDuff with the Mississippi Center for Justice argues the U.S. Supreme Court has already decided and reaffirmed that states cannot ban abortions prior to a fetus's viability, which is around 24 weeks.
You shouldn't be able to go back and overturn settled rights simply because the composition of the Supreme Court has changed.
But that's exactly what anti-abortion advocates want and expect the court's new 6-3 conservative majority to overturn Roe v. Wade.
We have an opportunity to save literally millions and millions of lives in the future if this case is to be ruled upon favorably.
Mississippi Governor Tate Reeves shepherded the law in question through the state legislature, and fellow Republican governors like South Dakota's Kristi Noem support it.
We actually have to go out and take actions that defend lives and save lives.
The justices are not expected to rule until next summer. But if they overturn Roe, many states, including Mississippi and South Dakota, already have measures in place that would automatically ban abortion. And even if the High Court does not formally overturn Roe, a decision weakening any precedent would open the door to new restrictions, like bans on some early-stage abortions. In Washington, I'm Jesse Chinor. Nicole.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.